Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, December 2nd. What we normally do on Fridays is plant. Today the wind's blowing the leaves in a pile. I'm going to put some leaves down, but we're going to talk about failure in the garden. So come on, let's talk about it. You know, there's a bunch of channels out there that make gardening seem like it's all easy and it's all fun. But you've seen some of my biggest failures this year. One thing comes to mind. Can you get a giant sweet potato from a giant sweet potato slip? Well, not if you got moles and voles eating them. And then you get the groundhog eating the leaves on top, so you lose half of those. We did get a few nice carrots, but we also lost 3 or 4 germinations. A couple I left the cardboard on too long, and one it was just too hot. Then I wasn't paying attention to the honeydew, which was aphids, and we lost quite a few cucumbers, most of the melons. We had a couple pretty good sized watermelons didn't get ripe. We got quite a few nice beets, but nothing like a couple years ago. But that's why we succession plant. That's why we plant heavy. I know we're gonna have some losses. If it wasn't the aphids, the blister beetles almost did us in this year. And then there was the vine borers. We lost quite a few really nice squash plants. And even with all that, we still had more produce than we could eat, and we gave away a lot. And that's why I always say, we'll see what we get, because you really don't know what you're gonna get. It varies season to season. It's a wonder we get anything to grow. We've taken plants from all around the world, we've brought them into a very small area, they all require something a little different, and we do pretty well with them. Now don't let me scare you if you're a new gardener. Everybody out there that's done this for a while knows exactly what I'm talking about. So you try to control what you can control. By putting deep mulch down, you definitely can control the weeds. When you're not fighting weeds, you've got more time to tend to other things. Even with some losses, chances are you're going to have a pretty decent garden. And if you feed the life in the soil, your chances go way up. And even when you're doing everything by the book, you can get a hard freeze, just like our peas. They were just coming on, now they're gone. Or you can have some critter come and eat your cabbages down to the ground. But never give up, they're coming back. So sometimes it might seem like a failure when it's not really a failure. And as the temperature dictates, we'll go ahead and keep these covered. They're a cold hardy plant with a little help. We ought to have cabbages by spring. You can do this too. And the only reason I'm telling you this today, I'm just showing you what's possible. I don't know if we're going to get germination or not. I don't know if we're going to get a harvest or not. But you won't if you don't try. We'll see what we get. Then until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.